In this video, you are going to see how to insert double line table in Microsoft Word document. As you can see here, we can apply the double line in the whole table or we can apply in a single line. So to be an expert, watch the video till the end. Let's get started. Go to insert, go to table and insert a table over here. Now if I want to change the line, just click on this 4 arrow button, click on right button, go to table properties, go to border and shading. Let me choose the style from here, select this one and you can increase or decrease the white from here. Let me increase 1.5 point and click on OK and click on OK, and here you will see the magic. I have the double line table. Press Ctrl Z to go to previous. If I only apply double line to a single row, just click on the table, go to table design and go to over here and choose a border style from here and just paint over here like this, and it will be changed into double border and uncheck over here, and this is perfect. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.